So Mobi is Vancouver's official bike share system. We are a system where we have almost 200 stations and 2,000 bikes that are distributed throughout the city of Vancouver for locals and for tourists. We have crew working out in the field between the hours of 6:30 a.m. and 10:30 p.m. And as they're moving bikes around the system to make them available to our users, they're also trained to be able to assess the state of repair of those bikes and whether they need maintenance. The RadBurro is great because you can often take bike routes and other side streets throughout the city that are harder to navigate in a van. We can also bring out relay boxes, which are sort of the communication technology that's on top of our signs. We can go out to new station sites and we can bring a generator and power tools, and we can prepare anchoring of base plates for where station signs and other station equipment is going to be mounted on the street. So we've loved the RadBurro. We have a number of team members that use it on a fairly regular basis. They've all remarked how fun it is to ride, how efficient it is to get around the city.
The nice thing about the RadBurro is I can park right up on the site. I'm not hauling all these tools from a van out in the parking lot over there. People are always coming up, parking their Mobi bikes in the station, and they're like, "What's that?" Like, they're really impressed that we're able to do this work with a trike like this. It just allows us to roll once again right up to the stations, climb up the ladder, swap our relay box, and off you go to the next one.
Definitely the RadBurro can help us get into tight spots easily without obstructing any other road users and do system maintenance tasks efficiently and effectively. Yeah, so we're going to need another one from you guys as soon as possible.